Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I grow my hair using moringa powder. Moringa is rich in nutrients like vitamin A, C and E, and minerals like iron and zinc that promote hair growth and strengthen hair, and it also helps smooth and calm and itchy. This is my moringa powder. I made it myself at home. Need a jar or a bottle. Then you put 2 spoons of moringa powder. Then you add a cup of water to it and stir it and cover and leave it for some few hours. You see the color of the water. I will strain it and put it in my spray bottle and spray it in my hair. Guys, this moringa water works perfectly. I have been using it since, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.